Yeah, welcome back to the channel. We are looking for a new car. I've been out test driving the Toyota BZ4, what you don't, it's a stupid name on a car from Toyota. I was out testing a Volkswagen ID7, and now this Nissan Ariya. Sorry about the color. This was the demo car. This is the cheapest version in the cheapest color, and of course it's nice that they actually want to show you the cheap alternative, because this color is not a color, it's a grounding color, I will say, from when I was painting. But the Ariya is so much more than this gray color. You have two different battery pack. One can take you 400 kilometers, one 533 kilometers. Can take drag with a hanger behind at 1500 kilos, so you can get it as a two-wheel or four-wheel drive. Now in Norway they just lower the price, and this get it down to 360,000 Norwegian. Went down more than 100,000 Norwegian. Let's see. I made this video in both Norwegian and English, so maybe I'm forgetting something, but let's see in the back. Electric windows, of course. Yeah, electric windows. Plates looks okay. This material in the chair feels okay. Now I put the seats so I can sit okay and drive. And we have to remember I am very long in my legs. I used to be 193 centimeters when I was younger, and after that, sorry to say, but my back have collapsed. I have ruined my back. So I lost 5 centimeters, and all is in the back, but my legs are very long. So problem with space in most car, and this one, and in the Toyota BZ blah blah blah, and the ID7 also, is a space enough. It's very nice. Center console feels nice. I see when I sit behind there and need to have it done. Setup here, air system coming to the back, USB and USB-C in the center. Yeah, looks nice. Light. So the space in the back is good enough for us to use, and that is many cars is not. So this car I could have been using. It's coming a train again, making a lot of noise up here. Let's go in the front. All the electric controls. You see, electric seats. This is the cheapest version. Sorry about this train coming by. I haven't ordered it. In the front, for me, a car is about the feelings, about how things work, if it feels right or not. The ID7, I can put in some links in the description. ID7 was it was an okay car in many ways. Some ways it was not perfect. Especially in the connecting the buttons on the steering wheel. On the ID7 it felt completely wrong. Can't explain it. That in the Toyota, that's feel the buttons was okay. Here, very nice. The instrumentation panel and things was okay on the Volkswagen ID7. On the Toyota it was kind of real shit in my eyes. It was far in on small panel, and with my progressive glasses it was making I was getting headache. Couldn't see any the information I wanted or nothing. Just hopeless. Here it's no problem. Here you see I have drive modes and E-pedal. E-pedal is letting go of the pedal and it start braking down hard. Drive modes. Yeah. Let's restart. You have sport, you have standard, and you have eco mode that you choose with this one. Here you also can get up all the things, navigation, all those things, night, and everything. I was using the navigation, was driving in to pick up something here now when I was testing. It was very nice. It was no problem, just worked. Also to be able to have buttons for a simple thing as temperature and where the air is going to go on auto, and it's just working. Volume, set up and down. You have control for changing songs or programs, hazard lights, and buttons. Set up the screen and everything. You have lights, very soft lights in here. Parking brake. You have some USB connections under here. Cup holders, charging plate. But very little space in there. It have to be something I haven't seen. Can't understand. I can have all this and don't have more controls than this. I can't understand that. Yeah. Cloth seats, some material. That was very nice. I don't need leather seat. Then I was thinking about the car. Point one, what we need is big enough to get the boys in. So I need to be at least have 2 boys in the back and a wife want to sit beside. And they have to be sitting okay. I have to be sitting okay to drive. I have adaptive cruise control. Very simple setups. I didn't have to go through any instruction. Everything is just logical and working. That's what's important for me. It have to be working. The car have to give a feeling I love this color, copper. It's here. It's just working all kinds. Here. Place to put things. More here. I was, after testing the other cars, I was not satisfied. And on this car, I just sit in. Everything is just like it feels like it's supposed to be like this. I'm very happily surprised over this car. I wasn't waiting or believing that I'm going to feel it that much, but actually I do. I like it. I really like it. Different setups around here too, with buttons. Quite okay space here, more space under for wiring and things. Here is a front light of a Mercedes E-Class, so no, sorry, S-Class. E-Class is S-Class. Yeah, it's exactly the right height, so I can just sit behind, like in talk about in a Range Rover and things. Yeah, I can just sit and eat my lunch looking out on the sunset. Sunset is going now. Actually, I like this car. Not with this color. This color is very ugly. Very, very ugly. Who can do things like this? Do people want to buy like this? But this was nothing to go up. And the copper color that I was liking, that one was 12,000 Norwegian more, so 360. I ended up 370 and something with the different color. And black was around 6,000 up from this. But yeah. Yeah, I'm back in the garage. After I was out testing the Nissan Ariya, I was thinking, my e-Golf, the battery have died now, it's finished. Have some bad connection in the battery to get it to a repair place and fix it, and have plus insurance that's supposed to help, but they say no, over time it's coming water in the battery, so you're not getting anything. I just paid a lot of money every year the last years to get that, and have a big fee on the top if I'm going to check something, so I just had to forget it. So it's dead. But that one I had for 10 years and 183,000 kilometers. When I bought it, the rules for taxation and things on electric cars in Norway made it very, very good mathematic. I have saved money on that car, but for the moment it's declared dead. Don't worry, I haven't given up. I have some ideas, but let's see. I changed some colors on my graph. I put it on my Norwegian video first. Ordinary car, you buy it for price, it drop a lot in price and it keep on going. Classical car was, when you start to be old enough, it was the price. They have dropped down to a very bad price, and then suddenly they start to go up. Crazy. Electric cars in Norway, they have kept the price very, very high, Then you come to the point where your warranty run out after that. Like the Golf, warranty run out. Going to cost me 200,000 Norwegian kroners. What is wrong? $25,000 or something to get a new battery in that car? Okay, the car is just parts. Have no value. So the important thing when you're thinking of buying an electric car, the warranty time. In the Nissan Ariya, they say no, I have to double check. 8 years, 160 or 160,000 kilometers. Okay, then you can say the value of that car is from 0 to 8 years for you. After 8 years, you have to just write it off. You have to, in your personal budget, say that after 8 years, the value is 0. The value is parts. But maybe, because I heard a lot of Leafs that have been, Nissan Leafs that have been driving much longer than that. So maybe that is not going to be the problem. But calculate with that always. After that, no one is going to be able to help you for another price like it is today. If electric cars are supposed to be the future, then the future have to make the things survive more than 5 years on some, 8 years, 10 years, and then we're going to trash the cars. This is supposed to be environmentally friendly, driving electric cars. It's not environmentally friendly if you after 8 years have to give it up. That is just waste, like a mobile phone thing. You throw them after a couple of years. Completely waste. But 8 years, 160,000 kilometers. With the price of this car in Norway here, that could be possible without making a fool of yourself. Because we have a lot of people in Norway buying cars upwards to 1 million Norwegian kroners. This is 370,000. 1 million kroners. You have bought a car. You have it for 6, 8 years. After that, it's parts. You're lucky if you go on. If not someone start serious to take it serious to start up repair places and fixing places and building battery and things like that, then you can see a completely different future. Today, this is the right update. Yeah, thank you. Just remember this when you buy things. They have a date where they finished. I'm coming back with more test of cars. I have to go out and test the Renault Scenic when it's coming. Hopefully soon, because I want to see it compared to the Nissan. Thank you. Please come back. Please follow the channel. Please put a like.